Now that you've received your Casper screen, there's a couple of things you need to do before you install the Casper screen in your door frame. We have to install the handles and the pull bar boots. Pull bar boot goes on each side of the pull bar. First start at the opposite end of the housing. The boot will fit neatly into the end of the pull bar. Once that pull bar boot is in, we're going to install the handles. On each side of the pull bar, there's a channel that the tabs on the end of the handle fit into. Once the handles are installed, simply install the boot at the other end of the pull bar. You are now ready to install the Casper screen in your door frame.